Bro, you gotta see this. I spent over 100 hours testing Nano Banana last week, pushing it to the max, trying to see how far it could really go. And what I discovered, there's a much smarter way to use it than most people realize today. I'm breaking down the full step-by-step workflow, showing you how to create professional AI images in minutes and even go beyond images into video. First things first, what even is Nano Banana? It's Google's newest AI image generator. And it's wild. This isn't your average AI tool. Nano Banana can put clothes on people perfectly without messing up the outfit or model. Swap backgrounds, props, and products in ways that normally take hours of editing. Recreate concept shots for products, fashion, or any idea you can think of. Basically, if you want AI images that look legit, this is your secret weapon. Now, I'm using OpenArt to access Nano Banana instead of Google's Gemini generator. Why? Simple. Gemini slaps a watermark on everything. OpenArt, no watermark, plus it lets you edit and upscale images. Turn your images into videos. Use any AI model you want, all in one subscription. Links are in the description if you want to follow along. Step 1, start with an image. OpenArt's homepage has a bunch of options, but hit the image section first. Then, switch your model to Nano Banana. Here's the trick. Nano Banana works best when you start with an existing image. Don't just type a long prompt, upload a photo, and let it do the magic. I grabbed a photo of a guy standing casually in the city. In the Omni reference field, I uploaded it and typed drone shot of the man. That's it. No essay needed. Pick your aspect ratio. Choose how many images you want. Hit create, and boom, you get a new image that looks like it was shot from above. Background is reimagined. Angles are perfect, and the model stays exactly the same. Step 2, product shots that pop. Nano Banana really shines with products. I found a popcorn machine and a coffee machine photo that looked professional. Upload both images to the Omni reference field and prompt. Replace the coffee machine with a red popcorn machine. Hit create, and just like that, we've got a professional product shot that could crush competitor listings. Instead of generic shots, you're making images people actually want to click on and buy from. Step 3, clothes that fit perfectly. Next, fashion. I grabbed a model. We're wearing gym clothes and a burgundy dress. I wanted her to wear. Upload both then. Prompt, put the dress on the woman. Nano Banana nails it. The dress sits perfectly. The fabric flows naturally, and it looks like a real photo shoot. You can use this for online stores, social media, or client projects. Step 4, go from images to video. Here's where OpenArt really shines. Click your finished image and switch to a video workflow. Pick a video AI model like Seance 1.0 for realism and type a slightly more detailed prompt. Fashion showcase woman in long red velvet dress in white studio. She turns, slowly touches the fabric. Lower part flows naturally. Movements are elegant and confident. Cinematic style focused on her and the dress. Set your resolution to max, leave audio off for GIF style, and hit create. In minutes, you have a production quality video. Want 4K at 120 FPS. OpenArt handles that. You don't need multiple tools or a full editing setup. Step 5, why this combo is a game changer with OpenArt plus Nano Banana. You get everything in one spot. AI image creation, clothing swaps, and product shots video creation, upscaling to professional quality, no watermarks, no juggling platforms, no wasting money on multiple subscriptions. Everything is integrated, which makes your workflow faster and your results better. So if you want to start creating professional AI images and videos, like we just did, sign up for OpenArt using my link in the description. Experiment, stand out, and make content that looks like a pro made it. Smash that like button and subscribe if you want more AI tools broken down step by step. I'll see you in the next one.